Hello folks, we are there in this exercise 5.5 with our video part number, this is part 7 video that we are taking up, and here we are taking up the 11th problem which is there on the board. So to start with, as usual, we are going to start with y. So let y be this particular thing. We have observed that something plus something, when it comes we have to take u and v. So right away let's take u and v. Let u be x cos x whole raised to x and v be x sin x whole raised to 1 by x. As always, we will first start with u is x cos x whole raised to x. Now because it's a function raised to function, taking logarithm is the only option that we have. So we are going to take the logs on both sides. Log u equal to log x cos x whole raised to x. That is as good as writing x times log x cos x. Now obviously our next step is to take the derivative. So we are taking the derivative on both sides, derivative of log u, and here it's a derivative of x into log x cos x. Now because it's a product, we are going to break it up. X times derivative of log x cos x and log x cos x times derivative of x. Now derivative of x is easy, it's 1, but this is not easy. So we should be calling it something like z or something, and then we should be proceeding. So for our convenience, and let's call z as log x cos x. Now already there is a log function and there is a product function, so it makes things a little tough. So that is why we will go in for w as x cos x and z as log w. So if we plan to take the derivative with respect to x, then derivative of w with respect to x, it's a product. So we can have x times derivative of cos x plus cos x times derivative of x, and also side by side we have this derivative of z with respect to w as 1 by w by, because it was log. This was log function, so its derivative will be 1 by w. Here also let's see what comes. X cos x derivative is sin x minus sin x, and cos x derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so only this much is left. And dz by dw, as usual we have got it as 1 by w. We have to get dz by dx, and that by formula of chain rule it is dz by dw into dw by dx. So that is 1 by w times minus x sin x plus cos x, or in other words it is minus x sin x plus cos x by log w is x cos x. So this will come to minus tan x plus 1 by x. So coming back, so maybe you could call this as 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 together, we are able to get the thing here. Log u with respect to x means first we will take the derivative of log u with respect to u, that is 1 by u, and du by dx because it is with respect to x. And let's see all this. X into the derivative that we have got here is minus tan x by 1 plus x, and on this side it is log x cos x, because this part is coming as 1. Now du by dx, when you so solve it, the u is coming on the other side, so it is it is u time, we'll sort it out later, minus x tan x plus 1 when you take it inside, plus log x cos x. That's it. And you can revert back. The reverted back u is x cos x raised to x. Okay, that is the u part. Now will come the v part. V is again, generally what happens is in such questions, u will be complicated but v will be simpler, but here both are of the same nature. So therefore all these process has to be repeated there also. Also your v is x sin x raised to 1 by x. So when we have a function raised to function, we have always learned that it's log which is going to come to your rescue. So it is going to be log of v to be equal to log of x sin x raised to 1 by x. We know the exponent will come here. 1 by x times log x sin x. Next step is to take the derivative. D by dx of log v is d by dx of 1 by x times log x sin x. Okay, now derivative is first 1 by x, derivative of log x sin x, and plus log x sin x, derivative of 1 by x. Okay, now 1 by x, let's keep it as it is, and let's take the derivative of log x sin x. Okay, and that will not come easily. That we'll have to, like before, do it separately. Call this as 3. And we will take that separately and we will try. What variable can we take? We have taken z and w. I don't know what variable to take. X, y, z, u, v, w, x, y, z. What is there before u and v? P, q, r, s, t, u, v. P, q, r, s, t. T is a good variable. T and s, t and r we will take. Okay, let t be log x sin x, and let for our convenience r be x sin x. Like that, t becomes log r. So this being a product, now we have taken this elaborately. So I will not write the steps elaborately. We will understand and write. First, x as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x, sin x as it is, derivative of x is 1. So x cos x plus sin x. Again here, dt by dr with respect to r is 1 by r, but that is not what we require. We require dt by dx. So that is dt by dr into dr by dx. All this is there with us. Dt by dr for us it's 1 by r, and dr by dx for us it is x cos x plus sin x. Now r for us is x sin x. So when we revert back, x cos x plus sin x by x sin x. So that gives it, when we take it on both the numerators, here it will be cot x and here it will be what's that, 1 by x. Yeah, so that's about this part. That is dt by dx, which we can call it as 4. So when we match it up together from 3 and 4, we are able to get the dv by dx. Log v with respect to x, log v with respect to v is 1 by v, and because it is with respect to x, we will write dv by dx. Now we have got this as 1 by x, and the log x sin x derivative is cot x plus 1 by x, and here we have log x sin x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x squared. We have done this in our table in the first exercise, or otherwise you can also get it by the formula x raised to minus 1 is a given term, so n x raised to n minus 1. That way also you can get it. Now what will happen when we open up this? So we are going to get maybe 1 by v times dv by dx is cot x by x plus 1 by x squared, and minus log x sin x by x squared. So if you can multiply this also by an x, then we can have it common. X cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x whole by x squared, and dv by dx, therefore let the v come there. So when the v comes there, v becomes what? X sin x raised to 1 by x. Therefore y becomes u plus v, so your dy by dx becomes du by dx plus dv by dx, and all this is there ready made with us. Du by dx is x cos x raised to x times minus x tan x plus 1 plus log x into cos x. log, not log x into cos x, log x cos x. Let's write it properly. There should be that bracket. And here it is x sin x raised to 1 by x into x cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x whole by x squared. So that's the huge thing that you get there. Okay, one has to have so much of concentration for this x's, right? So that's about it, the 11th problem. With more problems, we are meeting in the next video. Thank you.